Okay, a little bit of algebra and geometry together. Finding the length of the leg of a triangle given its area. So here we have this triangle, and we have that it has a leg, it has a base of 5x minus 2, and it has a height of 2x. So remember that the area of a triangle, we'll do it this way, area of a triangle is equal to, is equal to 1/2, isn't it? Base times height. So I'm going to use that information. They're given here that the area is 115. So we're going to say that the area is 1/2 times 2x times 5x minus 2. So this is the area of a triangle, but we know that the area of our triangle is 115, isn't it? So from here, I'm just going to do a little simplifying. 1/2 times 2x is just x, isn't it? So that gives us just x. So x times 5x minus 2 is equal to 115. Going to distribute this into here. So I'm going to distribute the x to here and to here. And I believe that gives us 5x squared minus 2x is equal to 115. And from here, just we have to remember something that's really important, and that's that we know that quadratics are most easily solved, or are more easily solved, often in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we just need to make that adjustment here and move this over. So all I'm going to do is add negative 115 to both sides. We're going to get 5x squared minus 2x minus 115 is equal to 0. Now we're going to try to factor this. And 115 does not have a ton of factors. So when I factor this out, we got 5x, because 5 is prime, so we know that this has to be 5x and this has to be x. And then from here, we just need to think about this a little bit. So I got plus 23 and minus 5 is equal to 0. And what I'm suggesting to you now is that if you refoil this, if you FOIL this out, 5 times x is 5x squared. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25x. So hold it. So here's my negative 25x that I have. 23 times x is 23x. And if I subtract the 2, I get that negative 2x, which is right here. Right? So I know that that works. Now I have to solve this. Now the trick here is to remember that we're dealing with a triangle. So we're dealing with these legs here, this one and this one. And the distance of them must be positive. So when I started this process here, I had 5x plus 23 equals 0. And when I started doing my work, I got 5x is equal to negative 23. It doesn't matter how poorly this math turns out, except for the fact that this negative sign right here shows us this is not possible, because we can't have a negative length. So we get x is equal to negative 23 over 5. So this is erroneous. So this is in error. It's not bad math, it's just bad practice. It won't work. But this one will. So we have x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. So that is x is equal to 5 here. So 5 times 5 is 25 minus 2 is 23. And 2 times 5 is 10. So remember, you have to use the equation for the area of a triangle, which is 1/2. So 1/2 base is 23 times height, which is 10, is equal to 115 if you check that math. So it did work. All right? Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and please leave me a comment. Thanks.